Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your gender in Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Once you've logged in, this is the interface of Badoo. Right now, what you want to do is simply go to Profile. The button's right here at the bottom right, simply click on it. Then this will open up. From this page, at the top right, you will be provided two options, whether to go to Settings or your Profile Settings. Click on the second option, that's on the top right. And this will open up. Simply scroll down till you see your name, age and location. Click on this tab right here. Then this will open up. Do note that you can also change your name and location from right here. But right now, we're only focusing on gender. Click on this tab right here and it's gonna give you a confirmation like this. If you change it, you will lose all your matches. Let's click on I understand and this page will open up. Simply select your gender and once everything's okay, if it asks you for a confirmation, simply click on yes or confirm. And once everything's okay, hit on save. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your gender in Badoo. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time.